Hello everyone, this is OneManOneCamera. Today is May 21st, about 3:30 in the afternoon, 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's do a recap of the Circa from when I started filming it up to today. But first, thanks for watching me. Please thumbs up, subscribe, tell a friend. And now I will start the clips, and now back in a flash. Hello everyone, this is OneManOneCamera. Today I'm down at the Fremont Street Experience to take a look at the Circa Resort and Casino construction site. This little porthole is located on the Fremont Street Experience, which allows people passersby to look inside and see the construction going on. If you notice that sign there, it says Circa. That sign has the construction schedule, which allows everyone to see exactly when things are due. Here is the artist rendition of the 1.25 million square foot, 777 room resort, casino, and spa. The hotel will be facing towards the strip, so hopefully there'll be some nice views for those at the upper levels. It will also have the largest sports book in the country. That's pretty much all I have right now. I didn't even go into too many details of the resort hotel because it's just early days and things can change. So kick back, relax, enjoy the music, enjoy the visuals, and if you have any questions about it, this hotel or anything else from Vegas, let me know and I will do my best to answer you. Hello everyone, this is OneManOneCamera. Today is August 25th, 2019, about 12:30 in the afternoon. Let's take a look at the Circa Resort and Casino's construction. Let's see what's going on. First, the numbers. The resort will have 777 rooms, 44 floors, 5 restaurants, and a 2-level casino, and the largest sports book in Las Vegas. There will also be a parking garage of 9 stories, dubbed the Garage Mahal. This garage will hold 1,200 cars. Not bad. The height of this resort will be 459 feet, which will make it the tallest building downtown. So there should be some great views for those upper floors. And that's not all. Above the casino will be a rooftop deck, an amphitheater with 6 swimming pools, and a 125-foot screen. The expected opening date is December 2020, just in time for New Year's Eve 2021. The resort is located on the site of the former Las Vegas Club and Mermaids Casino. And the place is owned by the Stevens brothers, Derek and Greg. These guys also own the Golden Gate Hotel and Casino and the D Las Vegas. Okay, now the price tag for this lovely place comes in at about $1 billion. So let's hope they finish on time, because you can imagine the first year's New Year's Eve party in December of 2020 to be a cracking affair. So right now I'm on 1st Street, and this wall to the left, I believe that wall was not there a month ago when I visited for an update. So it does look like some progress is being made. To the Circa Hotel. These are open in December 2020. Now when they open up, it's a $1 billion project, I believe. When they open up in December 2020, they're going to start small by opening only 522 rooms as opposed to their 777 room capacity. Woo. Next to the hotel, this is their parking structure called Garage Mahal, holding 1,200 vehicles. Not bad. Not bad at all. And as you can see, this hotel is right next to the Fremont Street Experience. There's the canopy right there. And check it out. Things are going swimmingly along. Let me get a better angle. All right, today is January 19th in the afternoon. Let's take a look at the Circa being constructed. All right, so this $1.2 billion project by Derek Stevens, the chap who owns the D and the Golden Nugget, is due to open up in December 2020. Now we're behind the hotel. And all these bars, or this design was not here the last time I was here. Oh, hey, let's check it out. I hope this place stays packed. You know that? I hope it's wall to wall, good time, good sports book. You know, everybody has a good time. All right, let's keep walking. Hey everybody, OneManOneCamera. Today is February 8th, about 2:20 in the afternoon. And we're down by the Circa, and what you're looking at right now is Garage Mahal. 1,200 vehicle parking space for the Circa Hotel and Resort. So right now we're on Ogden, and as you see, it's very, very cramped in trying to get a good shot because you really need a very, very wide lens. Everything's just so close together, I can't get a full picture of the structure. But we'll do what we can. All right. Hello everyone, this is OneManOneCamera. Today is March 14th, about 4 in the afternoon. I'm near downtown Fremont, taking a look at the Circa Hotel, due to open up in December 2021. I am just down the street from the Golden Gate Casino, and kind of near the Greyhound bus station. As we all know, going to the Greyhound station can be an experience, which I have had on a few occasions. All right, let's check things out. Now they have added a lot of glass since we've last been down here, and next to the Fremont Street Experience I can see they've added some aluminum, I guess it's aluminum or steel railing, siding, whatever you want to call it, as part of the construction of the site. All right, it's looking pretty good. Here's a shot of Garage Mahal. That's coming along quite nicely also. As you can see, the outside of it, where the exterior does look, you know, pretty good. So right now I'm on the corner of Main and Ogden. Just wanted to get a shot of the backside of the Circa Casino and Hotel, opening in December 2020. Okay, so I moved down to First Street across from the California. And this is a nice view. We get a good shot of a lot of the backside. Not the entirety, but it is a pretty decent shot. We're coming into the Circa, and it looks like they have a lot of the glass done. Somebody's yelling at somebody about something. Who knows? Just keep on riding by. Okay, all right, let's pass that by. Here is the Taj Mahal garage. I believe 1,200 or so cars will be parked there. Here is the bridge, not complete yet. And here is the Circa. It should be a lovely place when it's done. Man, the temper's flaring today, you guys. Ooh. Now this is the entrance that I would normally use if I'm filming to go on to the Fremont Street Experience, but locked down. Locked down. Well, once on that one camera. Today is May 6th, about 2 p.m. Temperature 94 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes, it is a hot one. Slight breeze, which won't do anyone any good. All right, so today we're down here at the Circa to check things out. This $1 billion project, 1.25 million square feet, allegedly the largest sports book in America, or perhaps even in the world, is to be open in December 2020.
And then here's a shot of the northern side of the building. Got your chemtrails, we got a lot of glass on there, a couple of towers, and there's a design. It's an interesting design, I do quite like it. And then we have the scaffolding, which seems to be everywhere in Vegas these days. Scaffolding, scaffolding, scaffolding. And of course the California Hotel and Casino. This shot is from First and Ogden. It gives you a better view of the design of the building. Well, it gives you a different view of the design of the building with the slanted top. And just more scaffolding and insulation or whatever. I'm not really sure what's behind the yellow tape.
Bang! And through this magic video, we're already back. So right now we're going to pass by the Greyhound bus station here in Las Vegas. Now what I heard is that when the people are released from the jail, they give them a bus ticket, I think, and a garbage bag so they can get out of town. So I was riding by here one day, and I saw a guy with a big old garbage bag. I said, oh, I see, I guess it's true. Anyway, all right, so hope you enjoyed those clips. And as you can see, the place has made a lot of progress in a relatively short amount of time, in my opinion. Just gonna do a ride by today, you guys, nothing too in-depth. The recap, showed you pretty much everything. So I just want to come out today and do a recap video because I haven't done one of those in a while. In fact, I think I've only done one before, and so I wanted to get one done. All right. Hey, Garage Mahal has a little bit of designs on there, right? With the swoosh type of thing. Hey, looking good. Garage Mahal. This California Hotel Casino is big with the Hawaiian holidaymakers. I'm not sure how we got so big with them, but it's like a main spot for those from Hawaii to come in and just hang out, relax, gamble, eat, and just enjoy themselves. It's looking very good. Check out the design. Very good. Just nice, easy day today, guys. Just ride by, take a little peek of things, and the next round be more in detail. All right, you guys, that looks to be just about it for today. I want to thank you all for joining me on this recap session of what's going on with the Circa Resort Hotel and Casino. It's looking good. It's looking really good. All right, like I always say, see me outside, say hello, and I say hello back. Take care, everybody. Have a great day. Au revoir. All right, you guys, this is our first interview at the NAB 2018. This is Ken from OneManOneCamera, and today we're in front of the Laowa exhibit talking to Mr. Kaz about some lenses. Kaz, what you got for us today?
So the lens I'd like to show you guys today is our 7.5 millimeter micro four thirds lens. So this fits all the micro four thirds cameras, including some of the drones out there that accept micro four thirds interchangeable lenses. And there's a couple cool things about this lens that I would like to tell you guys about. So number one is that this is an f2.0 lens. So it's an incredibly wide aperture, great for low light, and it's something that's kind of unique for some micro four thirds lenses. And then another cool feature, which is also available on all of our wide angle lenses, is that it is what we call zero distortion. So very little distortion on all of the lenses. So even with the 7.5 millimeter, you're basically looking at no distortion in terms of fisheye, barrel distortion, very clean lines horizontally, vertically, all around, and looks really, really fantastic on micro four thirds cameras.
And so what's the price point of those lenses?
So this one is actually $499 for the photography version. And one thing that we have coming soon is a cinema version of our entire lineup. So I actually have one of the cinema lenses behind me, and so that's a cinema lens for this micro four thirds camera, which includes obviously a clickless aperture, which is pretty necessary for a lot of video work. And then also you have the gearing for follow focus, all of the follow focus gears. So then also we have a longer focus throw so that you have a little bit more accurate focusing.
That sounds pretty great though, and a price point of $499 sounds accessible to a whole lot of people, because I know the M4 thirds crowd, including myself, we're always looking for, the best deals on the best lenses, the best price and the best quality. So Laowa, I'll give you guys a big fat thumbs up. We're just about done here with Laowa. Thank Mr. Kaz for spending time with us today. And so if you guys are out there and looking for a new lens, hey, Laowa, get one. Be there, be square. We're out. Good night. Bye.